While mainstream shoppers panic over rising inflation, a select group of strategic buyers is quietly secure locking a 2-year insurance policy on their family's food supply for under $80 total. They aren't burning cash on overpriced, heavily advertised freeze-dried survival kits. Instead, they are target buying 11 specific, long-lasting foods that look totally ordinary but are biochemically immortal in storage. As corporate grocery chains implement quiet, unannounced inventory cuts across mid-2026, the acquisition window is closing fast. Here are the 11 items disappearing right now that you need to grab immediately. Number 11. Bulk bouillon cubes. This item represents the single highest cost-to-utility ratio in the entire grocery store. One sub-10-cent bouillon cube creates a full cup of intensely seasoned broth, whereas equivalent canned broth runs up to $2 a unit, a staggering 40 times price markup. In a long-term grid-down scenario, plain white rice or dry beans cooked in water will trigger severe psychological taste fatigue within 72 hours. Bouillon is a massive flavor multiplier that transforms bland carbohydrates into a diet your family can actually tolerate. Warehouses are increasingly leaving this bulk format off restock schedules, meaning you must grab containers of 200 cubes or more, while bulk is still findable. If you're getting value from this, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this. Number 10. Pure canned tomato paste. This household staple is currently facing a massive invisible supply bottleneck. A staggering 95% of the entire processed tomato output in the United States is concentrated in one single geographic area, California's Central Valley. Severe agricultural water restrictions and shifting crop margins mean regional processing plants are heavily scaling back production. Procurement logs are already showing 6-week back orders on wholesale tomato paste. At under $1 a can, it delivers a 5-year shelf life and acts as a dynamic culinary transformer, turning plain, dry pantry base layers into high-morale chilies, stews, and soups. Number 9. Vacuum-sealed commercial yeast. Without viable yeast, your ability to turn basic flour, water, and salt into fresh bread vanishes instantly, and there is zero chemical substitute for it. North American yeast production is bottlenecked inside a tiny handful of highly specialized biofermentation facilities that cannot rapidly scale output when supply lines stutter. Skip the fragile paper retail yeast packets at the grocery counter that lose activation within 6 months. Instead, source the industrial 1-pound vacuum-sealed commercial blocks. Stored safely inside your home freezer, these blocks retain 100% biological viability for over 5 continuous years. Number 8. Canned sardines and mackerel. Over the last 24 months, high-quality tinned mackerel and sardines in olive oil have experienced an aggressive 100% price spike due to strict international catch quotas and shifting ocean currents. This contraction is permanent. From a pure emergency health standpoint, a single tin delivers dense, complete protein and crucial omega-3 fatty acids at concentrations that completely crush commercial fish oil supplements. For a household relying heavily on dry grains and canned vegetables, this specific shelf-stable fat and lipid profile is almost impossible to replicate from any other low-cost source. Number 7. Real canned butter. Most consumers have never seen this item because it exists entirely outside the mainstream dairy aisle, making its current market scarcity easy to miss. There are only 3 major commercial manufacturers of long-term canned butter supplying the entire nation. Right now, unexpected facility fires and structural steel packaging shortages have crippled output across 2 of those 3 production lines. Farm supply outlets are selling out instantly. While standard refrigerated butter ruins in weeks and frozen blocks succumb to deep freezer burn in 6 months, a sealed can of real butter remains completely pristine on a dark shelf for up to 10 years. Number 6. Rolled oats in mylar. Commercial oatmeal boxes left in a standard pantry are a magnet for humidity, oxidation, and weevil infestations, ruining your investment in less than a year. However, rolled oats are an incredible source of thiamine, iron, and soluble fiber, offering rapid complex carbohydrates during high-stress exertion. The insider play is to purchase large-format, bulk-rolled oats, transfer them into thick mylar bags with an iron-based oxygen absorber, and drop them into 5-gallon buckets. This low-cost adjustment immediately shifts the shelf life from 12 months to an incredible 30 years, giving you a permanent breakfast reserve. Number 5. Large-format cooking oil. A standard 1-gallon jug of vegetable or canola oil has more than doubled in price over the past 2 years due to international export bans on sunflower and palm oil. Dietary fat is not an optional lifestyle preference. Your physiology strictly requires it to absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. A survival pantry built exclusively on rice, beans, and vegetables contains almost zero fat, leading to rapid physical depletion regardless of your total calorie intake. 1 gallon of oil packs a massive 30,000 calories. Keep a rolling 2-gallon inventory, rotating the oldest jug into daily cooking every 2 months. Number 4. Premium non-fat powdered milk. When dairy processors face transport delays or input shocks, corporate managers prioritize their limited capacity toward fresh milk and high-margin cheeses, pushing shelf-stable powdered milk to the absolute back of the production line. Shelves are thinning out completely unannounced. For households with developing children or older family members, dairy protein and calcium are vital nutritional anchors. When sealed away from moisture and light with an oxygen absorber, premium non-fat dry milk retains its full protein matrix and vitamin structure for up to 20 years without needing a single watt of refrigeration. Number 3. Canned whole potatoes. While everyone rushes to buy instant potato flakes, smart preppers are completely wiping out the canned whole potato inventory. Instant flakes are heavily processed, sodium-loaded, and degrade quickly if the packaging is compromised. Canned whole potatoes are pre-cooked, packed in simple water and salt, and preserve their dense potassium and clean carbohydrate integrity for up to 5 years. They require zero energy or water to prepare in an emergency. You can slice them, fry them, or eat them directly out of the tin. They are a massive hedge against the current fresh produce inflation waves. Number 2. Raw large format honey. This is the undisputed king of the survival pantry because it is the only food on Earth that possesses a literal chemical immortality. Honey's natural water activity is too low to sustain microbial growth, its pH is highly acidic, and its enzymatic makeup naturally produces trace elements of hydrogen peroxide. Archaeologists have unsealed 3,000-year-old honey from ancient tombs that remains completely edible. Right now, domestic bee colony collapse and aggressive port of entry rejections on adulterated imports are causing large-format 5-pound jugs to vanish from stores. Buy it now. It will be just as valuable in 2036 as it is today. Number 1. Bulk white rice, stored in 5-gallon buckets. Sitting firmly at the number 1 spot is the absolute backbone of global caloric survival: long-grain white rice. Left in its original thin paper retail bag, humidity and air will degrade the grain quality within 12 to 24 months. But when white rice is milled, The oils that cause rancidity are fully stripped away. If you seal bulk white rice inside a thick mylar bag with a 2,000 cubic centimeter oxygen absorber inside a 5-gallon hardware bucket, you alter the chemistry completely. For less than $20, you secure 30,000 calories that are biochemically locked to outlast your automobile, your roof, and potentially your mortgage. Building a bulletproof food reserve isn't an act of panic. It is a calculated mathematical move to protect your hard-earned purchasing power from supply chain contraction. By adding just 2 or 3 of these 11 long-lasting assets to your cart during your next few grocery runs, you build an ironclad buffer without straining your weekly budget. If this countdown and chemistry breakdown opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe. Now, let me know in the comments. Which of these 11 foods are you stockpiling first? Stay smart, stay prepared,